Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to clone a project from Bitbucket to IntelliJ. This process allows you to bring your repository directly into your development environment, making it easy to start working on your code right away. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in successfully, you'll be directed to your Bitbucket dashboard where you can access all your repositories and projects. Now, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find several navigation options. Click on Repositories, and from there, select View All Repositories. This will display a complete list of all the repositories associated with your account, making it easier to locate the specific project you want to clone. From the list of repositories, find and select the one you want to clone to IntelliJ. Once you've opened that repository, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a clone button. Click on it to reveal the cloning options that Bitbucket provides. In the panel that appears on the right side, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this menu and select HTTPS as your cloning method. HTTPS is the most straightforward way to clone repositories and works seamlessly with IntelliJ. Once you've selected HTTPS, you'll see the clone URL appear. Go ahead and copy this URL as you'll need it in just a moment. Next, open IntelliJ IDEA from your applications menu or desktop. If you're starting fresh, you'll see the welcome screen appear. On this screen, look for the option that says Get from Version Control and click on it. If you already have a project open in IntelliJ, don't worry, just go to File in the menu bar, then select New, followed by Project from Version Control. A dialog box will now appear with several options. From the Version Control drop-down menu at the top, make sure Git is selected. This tells IntelliJ that you're working with a Git repository, which is what Bitbucket uses. Now click in the URL field and paste the Bitbucket URL you copied earlier. This connects IntelliJ directly to your Bitbucket repository. After pasting the URL, you'll need to specify where you want this project to live on your computer. Click the folder icon next to Directory and either select an existing folder or create a new one where you want the project files to be stored locally. With the URL and directory configured, click the Clone button. IntelliJ will now begin downloading the repository from Bitbucket to your local machine. If you're working with a private repository, you'll be prompted to enter your Bitbucket username and app password at this stage. Simply provide these credentials when requested to proceed with the cloning process. Once the cloning process finishes, which might take a few moments depending on the size of your repository, IntelliJ will ask if you want to open the project. Click Open or Yes to load the project into IntelliJ, and you're all set. You've successfully cloned your Bitbucket project to IntelliJ and can now start developing right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.